drop down in the system out there. Cause enough little youths fall victims out there. The ghetto is a construct and it's shaped in violence. Another way to keep some very great minds silent. Their harsh environment hinders progress. Poopa dead, mama ball and the youths go down there. Then the gun become the things that console it. And when him gone, the cycle just revive again. There's so many ways that we can get out. Second, the strong give strength so the weak can get out. Life rough and only the strong can endure. Life sharp but the righteous shall live forevermore. Good life out there that no future don't know. Cause their head is stuck in the place that they grow. And that's the maze of the system enforces. Yes, that's the place that the system controls. And that's the truth that some do and don't know. I said there's the truth that some choose to let go. Oh yeah. I said the destiny is in the mind that we hold. And there's some things that just only can know. So many ways that we can get out. Second, the strong give strength so that we can get out. Life rough and only the strong can endure. Life sharp but the righteous shall live forevermore. Can't drop down in the system all day. I said enough little youths fall victims all day. The ghetto is a construct and it's shaped in violence. Another way to keep some people silent. Harsh environment hinders progress. Poopa dead, mama ball and the youths grow lonely. So the gun become the things that console it. And when him gone, the cycle just revive again. So many ways that we can get out. Oh yes. Can the strong give strength so that we can get out. Life rough and only the strong can endure. But the righteous shall live forevermore. Hey. Can't hold me down. No, 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 no. Can't hold me down. No, no. Another way to keep some very great minds silent.
Jamaica, it's morning time on a Wednesday, August 29. We welcome our friends on onespotmedia.com, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at Smile Jam TVJ, and also televisionjamaica.com. Great start to the morning. Great music. Well, go on.
Good morning, Mr. Bell. It's good to see you. Good morning, Jamaica. And good morning to our friends across the globe watching on onespotmedia.com. On behalf of the entire crew, we say wake up with us. It's going to be a good day, right? Right
Yeah.
up until 8:30.
Yep.
It's good to be here.
How are the kids?
The kids are good. How are all the kids watching this morning? We love you. We love you. I love this photo of the day on the front page of the Gleaner. The one with the youth helping mother wash the clothes. The young man is helping his mom to wash the clothes. Isn't that a beautiful pic? It's just I'm a country girl and
You
I
don't
love
want nobody
country.
to see it.
Oh, sorry. You want to see it? Oh, sorry. You're. Let me hold up this picture for you. I absolutely love the photo of the day. How many of you can relate? How many of you? You got the picture? Lovely. You know, Zipporah was helping me wash dishes the other day too. There we go. You see it? Not wash dishes, hang out the clothes. And you know what she did? She took all of the clothespin them and dashed them all over the backyard.
So when you say she help, how she help?
She thought she was helping. I want to encourage her, you know?
Encourage her to throw away this
No,
stuff?
I want to encourage her to help, but she doesn't understand helping does not mean throwing them all over the place. But yeah, big up all the children who are helping their parents right now, especially as we get ready for back to school.
Yes, school.
You know?
They have orientation already.
Yes.
And I think officially it starts on Monday. So as I said, free paper bun.
Yes.
Long summer, but time to do some schoolwork once again. Well,
That's so true.
wasn't something that I look forward to.
Oh no.
But I know you have a lot of kids who actually look forward to going back to school.
Yeah.
And I suspect the ones who are going to different schools for the first time would be a little bit nervous.
Grade 7 group.
Yeah, would be a little bit nervous,
Yeah.
but it's
Enjoy the journey.
part of the movement, isn't
It
it?
is. We all had to do it. So just do it. And guess what? Then you're going to get old like us.
Speak for yourself.
I know, right?
Speak for yourself.
It's a part of the journey. School is a part of the journey. So take it as far as you can and enjoy the process.
All right, what's up this morning? What's coming on the show this
Boy,
morning?
it is a Wednesday, my people, my people, my people. So you know we have our band in the building. You heard them, Dimitri Eisen. Brought a few friends out to rock the Smile stage. And we're going to hear more from them this morning.
And they're rocking the MJW stage. The ladies vying for the Miss Jamaica World Crown. Stop by before they get all made up this morning.
And makeup for all skin types. Maybelline has got you covered, literally. And they're going to show you how to make the most out of the products.
Making the most out of your life. We've got one of our favorite life coaches on standby. Keishan Dunn has the tips.
All right, and it's a tip of all the things Flo has been doing for back to school. This time they partnered with us at TVJ for a Friend in Need outreach.
Reaching new heights in the healthcare industry. We get the 411 on telemedicine and what it can do for us in Jamaica. But before that, we get the hot topics.
Hot to the hot to the hot to the hot. I have something I want to tell the people about before we get into this first one. You know, just yesterday I was with most of the news team, and we're going to go into that story about Brandon Murray's murder. But I said to Archie and all of my friends here at TVJ Media, sometimes when we talk about the hot topics in the news, it can be so disturbing that we really have to prepare parents to have conversations with the children when we're always talking about abuse and murder. And we're going to go into that story. But, you know, I have a new thing. It's about the feel-good news. And yesterday, I want to congratulate. I was honored to be in the presence of 21 Jamaicans who have been awarded the Sheveling Scholarships to study master's degrees in the United Kingdom. Now, it's funded by the UK Foreign and Commonwealth Office and partner organizations, and I have to tell you that part of some of the cohort, this year's awardees, Vashon Brown, TVJ, Christopher Harper, you know, UNICEF, you report, Talk Up Youth, Sherry Perrier, Talk Up Youth, Christina Monteith, Talk Up Youth, Giovanni, TVJ, and Talk Up Youth. I'm so proud of you all. Go and soar, and to the other recipients, awardees, congratulations. And the cohort was chosen from roughly 50,000 applicants globally. So I can't lie to you. When the High Commissioner says, oh, I read so many things about Talk Up Youth in the applications, I want to congratulate you all, because you make youth development work, and when you come back, there's so much to do to make life better for youth in Jamaica. So congratulations again. Now we get into the hot topics. When we say hot, we mean it's like hot off the news, it's hot off the press, but it's not positive. But it's good news that somebody has been charged in the murder of Brandon Murray.
Yep, he's been identified as 27-year-old Christopher Chambers of Walton Park Road. It says following intensive probe by the detectives from the CIB, he was formally interviewed in the presence of his lawyer and subsequently charged on Saturday with conspiracy to the murder of John Brandon Murray. He says, my detectives are relentlessly pursuing strong investigative leads in an effort to bring to justice other suspects in this murder, so said Acting Assistant Commissioner of Police MacArthur Sutherland. So, there you go.
There you go. Now, this is really, 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 really exciting. Boy, when I first heard of her, I was like, yes, amazing. Misty Copeland, ballerina, is here and will be performing at the Little Theatre on Friday, August 31, and Saturday, September 1. Both performances were sold out, people, within days of announcement. She says that she's here to inspire. She is the first African-American female principal dancer with the prestigious American Ballet Theatre. And she is here in Jamaica, courtesy or thanks to the principal of Playa for the Arts, Marissa Benain, whose initiative it was to bring her here, facilitated by the United States Embassy in Jamaica. It's happening. I really wish and hope that she ends up on this Smile set while she's getting ready for the show. But she's such an amazing woman, ballerina, inspirational. Boy, it's going to be a really good show. I really wish that I had gotten tickets. But some quotes from her, which can help to guide your life, is that she says, "Start unknown and finish unforgettable." That's something I want to leave you all with. She also said that I may not be there yet, but I'm closer than I was yesterday. Knowing that it has never been done before makes me want to fight even harder. There's some quotes from her. Take them little nuggets to guide you. What an amazing woman. Look at her. You think black people can't be ballerinas? For all of you who try to fight us out, look at Misty Copeland, baby. This is good news. You know, I had a girlfriend that studied dance, black girlfriend. And she was in Australia at the time. And I think we were having a conversation about when you're a ballerina, you know, we are made with bottoms. And, you know, they was telling you push it in and stuff because, you know, the other races don't have it like us. So ballerina has always been a Caucasian, more of a Caucasian dance. And when the black girls started stepping up in the mix, it was very hard for a lot of the master teachers to manage that there was a bottom kicked out of formation. Let me tell you, I want you all to just study the drama of our girls entering that space and look at some of them who've been taking ballet to a whole nother level. When they put that black up in that ballet, hey, it's a whole new dance for you. But Misty Copeland, have a great show. I don't know if you're probably watching us this morning. Love you, lady. Keep doing what you're doing.
All right, Serena Williams, you know, she wears all kinds of fantastic outfits in tennis, and she wore a cat suit, and which was apparently banned by the folks at the French Open. So she's now at the US Open and decided to wear that, which is made by Nike, the brand that she wears, but she always comes up with something really snazzy.
Yeah, outside.
Yeah.
What I tell you.
There you
Few
go.
time, ladies. Few time. Misty, Serena.
Greatest tennis player.
Eh?
Greatest tennis player.
I know, she's amazing.
Absolutely amazing. Absolutely brilliant. And of course, recently had a child and she's back. She hasn't won a major since coming back, but
But she also speaks about it. It's very hard to
it's
come back
incredibly
after
difficult.
a child. Your entire body.
But if anybody could do it, she can.
Yeah, that's
She's
true.
a strong
Talk about
strong person.
coming back, Neville. I wanted to ask you, because this is really hot right now. On Friday, you know, my dear Leo Bredrin, friend, colleague, is in my country, Australia, and will be playing his first real match, football match, on Friday. I want to ask you, have you seen Usain play football?
Yeah, man.
Is it good?
He's good.
I haven't seen him at all. I just know that he's
Right,
there in a mean homeland.
He's a good left footer. But track and field, as fit as you are and as long as you train for track and field, it's a totally different kind of training for football. And he said the difficulty he has is the stop and start. So you run and you stop and you run again and you stop, and he's not accustomed to that. So as big as the field is, footballers couldn't play basketball, even though the court is so small, because it's a back and forth. Football is not like that. Football, you play the ball, you kind of catch for a couple seconds and watch it. But in basketball, either defending or you're shooting. So it's different for him. So I'm not certain as they say, if he has the quality to make it as a professional footballer. I pray that he does. I hope he does. I mean, he wants it really bad, but it's going to take him a little while to just get accustomed to the different movements of football as opposed to just running down the track and that's it.
But I'm really proud of him, you know. I think
he wants to live his dream. I hope he does.
He wants to live his dream, and that's a life lesson. And also, he's quite humble in his entry.
I think he understands that it's not going to be easy
where
for
he
him.
is and who he is. And although we say the world's greatest, he understands that he is a great man with potential. He's living his dream, as you said. But there's a lot of humility there in his approach. So somebody else to watch. So we've said some really important things and mentioned some important people today. Mitzi Copeland, Serena Williams, Usain Bolt. If you're looking for somebody to inspire you, just read their stories. Yeah, that's
True.
all you gotta do.
Very true.
Read their stories.
All right, time for some birthdays. Belated birthday greetings to Jada Krabok, whose birthday was yesterday. Greetings coming from your dad, Jada. I hope you had a great day. Another belated greeting to my friend. They call it KK, Karen Roper. There she is. Her birthday was yesterday. Oops, make a...
Pull up the screen.
Yeah,
Don't show her number now.
That's what me had said. Come out, man.
Your phone is frozen.
All right, come out, man. There you go. There she is.
many pictures.
Hope you had a great day yesterday, my good friend. She watches the program. There she is. I wish you many, many, many more. Another birthday. This lady is Tarisha, I think it's Tarisha Tolo. It's her birthday. The greetings coming from Grace Irving and the JUTC office in Greater Portmore. There she is right there. Happy birthday also to happy birthday also to Cynthia Pottinger, who works here with us. I hope you have a brilliant day today and you think Lion.
Cynthia! Hey Leo! Hey Lion! That's why we get along. Yeah.
You get along with somebody?
Yeah, I get along with a lot of people except you.
Cynthia,
we love you.
I like meet one person that you get along, apart from your family. Well, even your family, because I don't think you get along with your family either. Just one single person that you get along with.
True, you know me, I'm pretty. You all know I get along with everybody.
Do you have any birthdays?
Do I have any birthdays?
Yeah.
Not like you do, but to everybody that's born today, we love you. To all the mothers laying in the hospital bed watching, you're about to give birth to a bouncing baby. We wish you a safe delivery. Bless you and bless your children who will be born today. And to all the children in state care, in children's homes, to some of the children out there waking up very unhappy. And the world is not a nice place. And there's some bad people in the world and some bad people hurt you. We want you to know that there's somebody there that will help you to make life better. So love you, talk up, and happy birthday to you from Auntie Empress and Uncle Neville.
And yesterday was my Bridget, Barry's Hammond.
Really?
Yesterday was his birthday.
Really?
Can't believe
Something
it.
about these.
Can't believe
Leos.
him and see him close to your time.
Yeah, that's why.
Him
No,
is a
but that's
good
why.
person.
If you look at us and you look at the greatness, and you have to understand greatness when you see it. Look at Usain. Look at Marcus Garvey.
Happy birthday,
Look
folks.
at Cynthia,
Is that-
Paris, Empress. Come on!
Who know the way true is love and unity to all of God's children. Should be a great event, and the whole day should be spent in full remembrance of those who lived and died for the oneness of our people. So let us all begin.